Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are gonna find out how to set up your Blink camera for offline recording and whether or not it is possible for you to do so. So I recently came across this forum in which one person had the same question. So they have answered it like this. I understand you're wanting to know if a Blink camera will record while offline. Battery powered cameras require a connection to a sync module and Wi-Fi. Blink Outdoor 4 outdoor and the indoor third gen cameras will attempt to record the front motion event after a power loss and upload that clip to the cloud once the system is back online. The offline or the power out recording feature is not reliable, however. Power and the internet outages are a cause of the system problems, so consistent clip recording make sure both are always available. Let us know if it helps. If you have any of the answers in the thread helped you, you need to press the select the best answer button to label that response as the best answer. So it has given us the answer of this question that currently this offline feature is not available. However, you can use the recording method into it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.